Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. Welcome to our seated yoga stretch to help release tension and stress. This routine is low impact, beginner friendly, and you can easily follow along at home. All you need is yourself and your yoga mat. If you don't have a yoga mat, you can do this routine over a blanket, a towel, or a carpet, whatever works best for you. We're going to begin in a comfortable seated position, Sukhasana. You can move your hips side to side to find your sit bones here. And just really sit tall here. Lengthen your spine all the way to the crown of your head. And your neck is long with your spine here in alignment. And your chin parallel to the floor. And we're going to inhale, lift our hands up to the sky. Exhale out through your mouth. 2 more here. Inhale, lift your arms up to the sky. Exhale out through your mouth. One more. Inhale, your arms up to the sky. Exhale out through your mouth, side out. And now that our breath is now more in awareness, we're going to start moving here. So starting with our head and neck area, we're going to just gently move our head side to side, like this, to the best of your ability here, to your range that feels right for you. About 3 times for each side. And then we're going to go up and down here. Breathing here. And now we're going to do gentle half circles here. So bringing your ear to your right shoulder and then gently go over to the left and then back to the right and back to the left. One more round here. To the right and to the left. And if you feel good here, you can do a full circle if you would like. One direction and the other direction. And if this doesn't feel good for you, then you can just stick to half circles. And once you did your full circle or half circle here, we're going to come back to the center. And gently roll our shoulders back and down here, really opening our shoulders and our chest. We carry a lot of tension in these areas, so just really opening it up here, energetically and physically, emotionally. And now we're going to open up our chest here. So I'm going to go sideways here, like so you can see. And bringing your hands behind you, like so, on the tips. And we're going to really open the upper back here. Feel the stretch here, really opening it up here. Most of us are usually unaware that we're hunching forward. So this is a great way to counteract the hunching especially because we're looking at our screens, whether that's our computer, laptop, smartphone, tablet, iPad, you name it. And now we're going to do a few cat and cow here. So we're going to exhale, round our spine here. Exhale, lift your chest into the sky. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Exhale. Inhale your chest up to the sky here. And just shake it off, move it a little bit here. Rebalancing. And coming back to the center here. And now we're going to do some wrist circles here. So do some gentle wrist circles in one direction and the other. Giving love to our wrist here. And this will also help our forearms. Just opening it up here, and if you hear any cracking, that's normal. And just release here, let it go. And now we're going to do a few twists here, which is really amazing for your gut and your digestion. So I'm going to go sideways, you can see it. We're going to lift our arms up to the sky and twist towards your left here, like so. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist. And coming back up, we'll do the other side here. So doing your right side, like so. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist. And coming back up. And I'm just going to come back to the center here. And we're going to open up our spine and our side here. So just bringing our hands up to the sky. We're going to bring our right arm down gently and stretch the left side of our body here. You can move your head up to the sky or down, up or down. Just explore what feels good for you here. And inhale, come up. We're going to do our other side here. So stretching the right side of our body. And you can gently move your gaze up to the sky or down, up or down. And coming back up. Hands at your heart and release. And we're going to do some Soothe grinds here. So you can gently place your hands on your knees and do a few nice rhythmic movements here with your breath. Exhale as you fold. Inhale as you go up. Exhale. Just feel your body here and move with your own breath, letting go any judgments, any attachments or expectations. And we'll switch here, so moving the other direction here. You can make smaller circles or bigger circles here. Whatever feels right for you. Just move intuitively here. And we're going to slowly come back up to the center here. Feeling a lot more relaxed already here, and I hope you are as well. We're going to have one of our legs out to the side here and one of them near our groin area. And we're going to move our spine towards that leg that's stretched out in front of us. And you can have your hands at your heart like so. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. You can have your hands on your toes, on your calves, or on your thigh, wherever feels right for you. It's not a competition, so just honor yourself here. So exhale, fold. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come back up. So we'll do the other side here. So we'll have our right leg out in front of us and our left leg towards our groin area, and moving your torso towards your right here. Your hands at your heart. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come back up. And we'll do the center here. So your legs out in front of you. Your toes are flexed here, which will help protect your body. And we're going to have our hands at our heart. Inhale, really lengthen your spine here. And you don't have to have your legs out really wide. Just spine where you can sit really tall here. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. And find a place where you can stay comfortably here. And we're going to exhale, fold. Inhale, come up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come up. In line with your spine here. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come up. And gently come up here, and we're going to bring our knees gently in and our soles of our feet touching here, coming into butterfly here. And just gently, really lengthen your spine here, really in line, and your chin parallel to the floor, and gently flap your wings here. Like a butterfly. And we're going to release, and gently, you can have your arms like this behind you, not dumping all your weight onto your wrist. And we're going to have our legs bent like this, a little wider than a shoulder length distance. And on an exhale, we'll bring it down towards our right. Inhale, come back up. Exhale to the left side. Inhale, come back up. Exhale towards the right. The leg that's on the left side here doesn't have to touch the floor, so just honor yourself here. It doesn't have to be all the way down. It could be up here like so, like this. And just feel your body releasing and lubricating here. And now we're going to just release our feet, our toes like so, and making sure that you're not dumping all your weight onto your wrist here. Really pull up from your pelvic floor, which is the area between your pubic bone and your tailbone here. So just really pull that area up here so you're not just relying on your wrist. And we're going to do circles here in one direction with our feet, opening up our ankles here. A lot of the tension that we feel on our calves can also be because our ankles are really tight. And we'll switch the direction here. And now what we're going to do is really stretch out your toes here as far wide as you can. Release, stretch it all out, and release. Stretch it all out here, your toes really wide apart as you can. Wiggle if you can here, and release. And we're going to just shake it off here. Shake off your legs, your feet. And we're going to shake off our upper body here. Just shake it all off. And gently close your eyes here. You can place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Checking in here. Seeing how you feel. And we're going to wrap up with some cleansing breaths here. So inhale deeply through your nose. Hold. Exhale out through your mouth with an ah sound. Two more here. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold. Exhale, side out with an ah. One more here. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold. Exhale, let it all go with an audible ah. Gently open your eyes here. Well, we just showed you our seated yoga stretch to release tension and stress. That's low impact and beginner friendly. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling lighter, more relaxed and restored. You can always come back to this video whenever you need. This routine also makes a perfect warm-up for a more active vinyasa practice. Thank you for joining. Om Mani Padme Hum. Much love and take care. Namaste.